I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Early Access Subnautica. Early Access offers a fantastic opportunity to dive into games before their official launch. Imagine exploring the alien ocean of Subnautica while it's still evolving. This phase allows you to experience the development journey, providing valuable insights and helping shape the game. However, it's important to remember that early access titles are still works in progress, so expect some rough edges and ongoing changes. To begin your early access adventure with a game like Subnautica, you'll typically find it on digital storefronts such as Steam. Simply search for the game title or browse the early access section. Once purchased, you gain immediate access to the current development build. Sometimes, developers also offer direct purchase options or beta programs through their official websites, providing another avenue to jump into the action and explore new content. As an early access player, your experience will be dynamic. Expect frequent updates that introduce new creatures, biomes, or crafting recipes, much like Subnautica's journey. Your role is crucial. Report any bugs or glitches you encounter through the designated channels. Participating in community forums and discussions also helps developers understand player sentiment and prioritize future improvements, making your contribution truly impactful to the game's evolution. To make the most of your early access playtime, especially with a game as expansive as Subnautica, consider a few key tips. Regularly back up your save files, as updates can sometimes introduce unforeseen issues. Always review the patch notes to stay informed about new features or bug fixes. Dedicate time to exploring new content and testing mechanics. Most importantly, embrace the journey of development, understanding that the game is continuously being refined.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.